It's been bound to happen. Passage has at last uncovered each edge of the new Ford Focus, which will come back to North America in the second 50% of 2019 as a 2020 model, supplanting the third age Focus, which appeared as the 2011 model in the US. The all-new fourth age Focus will touch base on our shores with EcoBoost motors, another 8-speed programmed transmission to supplant the criticized 6-speed PowerShift, double grip programmed, and drive modes like those in the new Ford Edge Street. Passage itemized a large number of the mechanical, body style, and trim alternatives that it will make accessible on the Focus for European and Chinese markets on Tuesday, including body styles running from a 4 entryway vehicle, a 5 entryway bring forth, a wagon, and an all-new active with a raised the suspension and plastic body cladding the distance around that could come here. A grouping of 1.0 and 1.5-liter EcoBoost gas motors will be accessible in both China and Europe. However, the old continent will likewise observe another 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel motor to supplant the active Duratorque. Try not to anticipate that the oil burner will come here. However, there's a decent possibility the 1.5-liter EcoBoost could supplant the Focus's 2.0-liter base motor in the US. Those motors will send energy to the front wheels through an 8-speed programmed transmission, likely a similar gearbox co-created with General Motors for front-wheel drive applications. It's additionally utilized as a part of the updated Ford Edge. Versatile shift scheduling and adaptive shift quality control make the transmission smoother and more responsive, while the new transmission enables the Focus to get drive modes. Surprisingly, 3 modes are accessible: Normal, Sport and Eco, which alter motor reaction, transmission mapping, controlling feel, and adaptive cruise control. Underneath the Focus's new bodywork is a fresh out-of-the-plastic new undercarriage that Ford claims is 20% more inflexible than previously.